इसका टेक्नोलॉजी का लव तो कम नहीं हो सकता है, लेकिन क्यूआर का हिसाब सिंपल हो सकता है।
क्या? कैसे?
खाता बुक क्यूआर से मैन, ये सब ऐप से पेमेंट एक्सेप्ट करता है और फुल हिसाब को एक जगह दिखाता है।
अरे हिसाब सिंपल हो गया।
खाता बुक बिजनेस हुआ इजी मैन।
You and Kunal were used in the power play today. What was the plan? What was the discussion between you and Kunal? Since you guys bowled extremely well, what was the thought behind you guys bowling the power play?
So to answer the first part of the question, the initial plan was because it's a day game and the wicket in Dubai is generally, because over the course of the tournament it's become more drier. So the idea was to extract more spin with the newer ball, and because as Krunal bowled the first over in the power play, second over, his first over, he said that the feedback was that it's stopping a bit. So that's when I think Paulie said that okay, I'll also have to bowl in the power play. In power play the plan is pretty simple, just try and contain the runs in whichever way the best suited to a different batsman, different plans for different batsmen. So yeah, that was the plan.
Jan, you played your first game this season for the team. How has been how has your preparation been? How have you kept yourself motivated through this entire season?
So really happy to have a chance to play for Mumbai Indians again, and it's all about trying to have an impact whenever you get the chance, and trying to keep myself motivated. I think as players it's pretty evident only 11 can play, and there's very clear-cut communication in our camp of places where or matches where against different teams, matchups against different teams where I could come in. So I always knew that Delhi Capitals will always be a matchup. So I was pretty prepared for this game.
Jan, again talking about the preparation, being in such a good bowling side, what's the discussion when you bowlers sit and meet? What do you have specific plans for batsmen against against all opponents? What's the thought around it? You can share something.
So the basic idea of a bowlers meeting is trying to assess the conditions, the batsman's strengths and weaknesses, and then trying to implement that in a match situation, because it's like you knowing you have a general idea of the wicket, yourself and the batsman. So it's all about application in the end, but it's very very good to have that knowledge where the batsman will look to hit you. So the discussions are always centered around that, and at the end it also depends on the current match scenario. You can tweak the plan a bit, talk to the captain if the wicket's playing differently, if the batsman is playing differently. So yeah, the basic discussions are about that.
Then next one, Trent Boult produces splendid performance in power play today. You had probably a very, very good seat in the stadium watching him bowl. What were your learnings from it, and what are the expectations of the team from Trent Boult?
I think the Trent Boult is a quality bowler. He's a world-class bowler, and especially with the new ball. And I think that's where he has an impact, not only in this match, but as you've seen throughout the tournament. He's always produced 1 or 2 wickets initially in the power play. And if I'm not wrong, he's the highest wicket taker in the power play this season. That goes to show you the quality of Trent Boult. And yeah, it's just day in, day out, he just keeps on producing these performances. And many matches he just picks up 1 wicket, but having that 1 crucial wicket in the power play just stems the flow of runs for the opposition and really helps the bowling side.
Jan, Jasprit Bumrah has been a standout performer as always. He came into bowl somewhere around the halfway stage today.
Yeah.
What was the strategy behind that? If you have any thoughts.
So, not really sure what was going through Paulie's mind, but as you would have seen, booms, the way our team uses booms is 1 in the power play, 1 in the middle and 2 in the end. So because initially me and Krunal and everybody else had things under control, so Jassi wasn't needed, I think. But whenever Jassi comes, he has an impact, I think, inevitably every game. So it was quite evident the way Jassi bowled today. The standout performer, according to me, on that wicket also was Jasprit Bumrah, because he had some great wickets. He made the ball talk on that wicket as well.
Then lastly, the top 2 spot is now secured. How does the team plan to carry this momentum forward, and does the past experiences of Mumbai Indians help in this?
I think the general idea of the team would be just to keep on doing the simple things right. It's an ongoing process, and it's not just planning for a particular game, but being in the fag end, we would like to do everything that we have been doing up to this stage to reach the top 2. We'll just keep on doing the simple things right, and just keep focusing on the process.
Jan, thank you so much for your time. Congratulations on the win, and all the best for your next game.
Thank you.